Hey everyone, it's me. So I have an important event later that I'm gonna show you how I prep my face for using my favorite #1 beauty must-have, the RIKI SKINNY. And you can see I'm gonna cover any spots or blemishes, dark spots that I want concealed. And then, of course, even under the eye is really important. Seriously? Oh. Duh. I can still do my video using my RIKI SKINNY. Okay. Perfect. Oh, you are so obsolete. RIKI SKINNY, you light up my life. Oh. I gotta go. I'll see you at the meet and greet. Here is light, and then you go out dark. So like when you want like a more nighttime look, you just want to just darken up the colors, more pigment.
Always darken the colors.
Make sure you get here. You want to get down the nose, the forehead, so wherever you naturally sweat. So please keep tuning in, leave comments. We really take them seriously.
No, seriously.
Yeah. Guess what?
What?
I did my makeup in the cab.
What?
I'm not kidding.
I'm so proud of you.
Thank you. It was such a good day. Hashtag Ricky loves Ricky. Are you on my roof?